think my favorite part about Vizcaya was just the whole experience. The activities were very creative. I think it gave us an opportunity to learn a lot about what this place is about and gave us an opportunity to be creative ourselves.
It's literally our dream come true. There's so many amazing sites, and just learning about the history of the museum is also incredible. We also got to work with amazing artists in our workshop, just learning from them and turning it into artwork.
Yeah, it's been such a wonderful bonding experience.